Okay, what up YouTube? So if you watched some of my previous videos, you might have seen that I bought an eBay replacement LED light for here. I had two guys at work different times tell me that as I'm driving down the road the light is flickering, but I haven't seen it yet. So we're just going to open it up, see if it has a loose connection. The light didn't fit to begin with. Didn't fit perfect, so I had to use electrical tape. And these screws right here aren't really screws, they're just pull down tabs. I don't want to break them. Well, they came out easily. There we go, we're out. Oh look, it's flickering. That was kind of crappy how I put it on last time. Now they're not working at all. Oh shit. The wire right there is nicked. Isn't that a bitch? Oh no, it's not. I was gonna say, I don't know why the wire would be nicked. Now the thing's not working at all. Uh-oh, the thing's not working at all. Well, first, let me kind of get these things on the, not in the middle, towards the end. I'm hoping it's not the wiring, it's just this stupid LED replacement. There we go. Uh-oh. We only have two LEDs on. If I push, look at that. If I push down on that, that one comes on. Oh, these ones on the side. Isn't that a bitch? Only two are lit. Looks like it's a solder joint problem. I only have two lit. I don't know if I can fix these. Now it's out. Well, first thing, I think these things are on the wrong side. It's kind of disappointing that I have only two lit out of 5 LEDs on here. It's still brighter than an incandescent with only 2 lit. See, I think if these tabs are on this other side where this where these spring tensions are, it won't go out as much. Yeah, that's a lot stronger. But I only have 2 LEDs lit out of That one looks like it might be a cold solder joint. I wonder if I should take it upstairs and try to heat it up. I don't know, I'm not good with surface mounted stuff like that. But it's not okay, that way when I flip the leads over so that the leads are on the spring tension side and not the flat side, it's not as you know, bad. But all those LEDs burned out. So I had to look on YouTube to see when I installed this LED, but only 2 out of 5 lights are lit. But I think that's going to stop the flickering problem. But the LEDs burned out. I think I paid $8, probably $12 with shipping for this thing. Let me try to put this in here so that okay, so that the LED's pointing down. If I go like this and turn it, that LED will be pointing down. You see it's not going out. So I think I solved the flickering problem, but it is a shame that, you know, I bet you it's cold solder joints compared to oh, I lost another screw. Do you see the screw? Oh, there it is. How did it get all the way over there? Okay. It's okay, so I have it back together. So I thought I would do that. Since I had this on YouTube the first time, I thought I would look into that. I'm assuming that somewhere in there there's a current limiting resistor. And oh, you know what? I thought all those LEDs would be in series, but you know what? They're probably not. There must be a current limiting resistor. And even when I was pushing down on the one LED, got it lit, the others didn't light. So maybe they are all separate. So that's a little update.